When you win a bid, DemandStar provides you with some simple tools that enable you and the agency you're working with to manage, send, and receive documents to each other. When you are awarded a bid, you will receive an email notification from the agency, including any next steps. The agency may want to send you additional documents that they don't want to post publicly. These could be liability waivers to fill out, invoicing information, or perhaps a contract you need to sign. You'll get an email when an agency uploads a document for you, and you'll also receive a notification here on your dashboard. When you click the Documents for You card, you'll be taken to a new screen. We'll come back to the cards on the left in a moment. For now, look on the right side of the screen. Here we show you some information about the bid, and then list all the documents available for download below. Click on the title of each document to download it. These documents are only visible to you and the agency. In addition to sending you documents, an agency may also request certain documents from you. These could be filled out liability waivers, tax documentation, a certificate of insurance, or a signed contract. You'll receive an email when the agency requests a document from you. If we go back to our dashboard, you will also see a card asking you to upload a document. On the dashboard, we'll show you your most urgent tasks first. Agencies can assign due dates for these documents. If we click on one of these cards, we're taken to a screen where we can upload that file. Give your document a name, select a file, then click Upload. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation the agency has received it, and the status on the left will change to Complete. On the left, we show you your most urgent tasks at the top, and the tasks with the further out due dates below. Anything that is completed is moved to the bottom. The card with the documents the agent sent to you is conveniently always at the top. There are a few ways you can find this information. You've already seen how to get here from the dashboard, but what if you're looking for documents related to an older bid? As you can see here, this is part of the bid details page. This tab will appear in the menu for any bid you've been awarded. Finally, there are two ways to see all the required actions for all the bids you've been awarded. From the dashboard, you can click the View More link, or you can click on the Responses menu. From here, you can see all the bids that you've been awarded, all the actions to take, and any due dates. You can sort the list here by clicking on one of the headers. Managing, sending, and receiving documents through DemandStar saves time, keeps all your information organized in one place, and makes sure you don't miss any deadlines.